My name is Indrajith De Silva. So I've been living in this property for nearly a year or so. When first initially came to have a look at the property, I realized it's off-grid. I thought, I need to do my research. So it was oil then. Then I thought, no, I'm not happy with oil because it's bulky, what sort of harm it does to the environment. Then the LPG was one of my main options compared to the other sources.
So today we're putting in a 2,100 litre underground gas tank, LPG gas tank. We make sure there's no drains running through it or underground cables or anything like that. Once we know it's safe to dig, we pretty much start digging it out.
So yeah, yesterday we dug the hole and we got the tank installed this morning. Crane driver comes with a tank on the back and he picks up 2 concrete slabs. He puts them in the hole side by side and then picks the tank up and he puts the tank on top of the slabs, and then there's a ratchet strap that we'd have put underneath the concrete slabs, and then we pull it around the tank, tighten it on, so that's how the tank stays secure in the ground. And we're just going to put the backfill in and we're going to whack it every sort of 200-300 mil to make sure the ground's compact, it doesn't sink over time. We're all done, everything went according to plan, it's all tidy, customers happy, that's all we can ask for really.
Once again, Calor, I'm so pleased the amount of planning they did, the amount of hard work, everyone on the site. They took it as their own project and did a fantastic job. And I'm so pleased with everything happened on site.